Well, I finally arrived in St. Anthony at the tip of the Viking Trail, Highway 430. In the far distance is an iceberg you cannot see on this camera. Oh, it's a little white speck on the ocean there. I just saw a stairway to the top of that hill, so I think I'll do that tomorrow morning. It's going to be a great view. I read about it. So St. Anthony promises to be worth staying 2 or 3 nights, which is good because I don't want to drive right now. I'm still fighting my cold, feeling better, but don't want to drive. Well, it's 7:30. I'm on the pier just outside the restaurant at the tip of St. Anthony's. It's a lovely evening, and some people told me that the whale watching boat is worth taking. The iceberg is in this direction, and the cabin takes you up close to the iceberg. The captain, I should say. Look at this. There's an old sod house there. This is beautiful. And this couple from British Columbia, Qualicum Beach, actually said that they saw mink whales, which are smaller whales, and humpbacks, and saw them slapping the water and playing, and they said the $78 was well worth it. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Plus I'm gonna hit the visitor center and climb up that hill, Signal Hill. There's 200 steps. And there's a fishing boat way out there trolling with its nets. It's a peaceful evening. I drove through gusts of wind. It's so nice to be here and not have gusts of wind pull me over. Okay, we're taking off. We're on the tour boat in St. Anthony for whale watching and bird watching and going out to see an iceberg. There's where we took off from the terminal there. This is why I came here, folks. Getting bigger by the minute. Beauty. Oh, now you can see all the crannies on it. good, huh? Did you just
We got
pop
enough
it?
for a meal. I think, I don't know, we got a hungry bunch. I don't know if it's going to be enough. I don't know.
That's pretty cool.
We want it with some drink.
Yeah. About 2 weeks ago. Yeah, they come from Greenland, and it takes them on average about 2 years from Greenland to this land. Beautiful color, isn't it? Pretty fancy, huh? Got all these deep gouges in it. See those vertical lines in there? Anyone want to venture to guess what would cause those vertical lines? Well, that was actually in the bottom of the iceberg one time, and a current running underneath there. Those gouges, when they get to the 90 degrees, the air can throw down and explode the rest of the water. I'm going to attempt to bring some of these out. Now we're going to go ice fishing. This is my style. We're going to go ice fish now. That's how they maneuver using their flippers. So they steer. Coming up now. Turn a complete 180 within a couple of seconds using those big flippers. The main propulsion comes from the tail. As a matter of fact, the muscle within the tail of a humpback whale is the strongest muscle in the world, enough to launch a 40-ton humpback completely in the water. The one that breached 22 times here yesterday. Taylor's time! Here it is! Woo! Nice! He's going to check it out now, see if there's any fish there. The big lumps along the rocks there, yeah. It's pretty amazing when you see the lunge along the shoreline there. You see their mouths go wide open. The lunge along these rocks. See what he does here now.